Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to change your username on YouTube. The first thing is to open up your YouTube app. The next thing, click on the UI icon at the bottom, and then you click on the channel name, and then you click on the pen icon or pencil icon at the corner. Then you can see this name, then you can click on it again and then put in the new name you want, and once you're done you tap on save. And that's it, the name has been changed. You can also change your handle, pin on handle, and change it to the one you want. So but some of them are not available. Okay, this is available, then click on save. It's as simple as that. That is how to change your username on YouTube. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.